Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a couple art pieces. I decided to combine a couple in since they used the same paints from Arteza, or you could use any acrylic paints or gouache that you have. I'm working on Strathmore Tone Tan paper, which I have loved, and I found that though it's not necessarily marketed for acrylic painting, it works really well on it. And I like the tone tan color. But you could work on whatever you have here. So I'm kind of made a C shape, and I'm kind of doing the style, the one stroke style. It's not to the letter, but it's just something I wanted to try. I kind of go on and off with different styles because I have that brain where it just bops around everything. um, is what it is. But anyways, so I'm loving these bright greens and purples. And so basically the one stroke method is combining multiple colors on your paintbrush at a time. Kind of a shading element already being done for you as you paint. And so I'm kind of following that C shape and giving some structure with different leaves going in different directions. And I've got like a yellow green and a I can't remember what the exact color green I used here. I had so many on my desk, but it's not my usual hooker's green that I use, but it's a little bit brighter than that, combined with the yellow. And then I've got that purple and sort of a periwinkle blue and a white, and then going in the centers here with some gold and not gold, but you know what I mean, yellowish gold color, and some browns and some white highlights for some of the stamen. And yeah, I liked how that turned out. And the second one, I kind of just went more simple direction with like ultramarine blue and white. And kind of trying to do like that rose style where you kind of put the center in and then make leaves all around. I'm still working on the process, but it turned out fun. I will leave links below as usual to direct you to different products. And of course, those are affiliate links. That doesn't charge you anymore, but it does help me out with supporting my art, which I greatly, greatly appreciate. And also hitting like and subscribe also tremendously helps grow my channel, which in turn helps support my art. And I really appreciate that. As well as I have links to my Etsy shop, my blog, and my books and all of those kinds of things. So, yeah, these are fun though. Quick little things you can do in 10 minutes, really 15 minutes a day, just to kind of exercise your brain and exercise your creative instincts there and get some practice in. And they don't always work. I'll have to do a flip through. Sometimes I keep old paintings of, and sometimes new paintings of things that just totally did not work. And it's good to keep a few of those to remind yourself that it's okay. Things don't always go to plan. And the next day you may come up with something great. So it's art's that way. It's usually, unless you're some master for 80 years, it usually doesn't happen that way every day. And I've heard even some of the masters have said that it doesn't happen for them. So I'm not worried about it, just enjoy the process. I'm going in with a little Van Dyke brown here and adding in just an extra layer of color to bring some dimension since I've got blues and greens going on. So some white, that brown, and I think it just gives it a lot of depth on the page there. I was glad that I added that brown. Sometimes you gotta step away and look at it. Oh, what does it need? So I added a few pictures of some other recent ones that I've done with that sort of pseudo one-stroke method, and I like how they turned out all on that Strathmore paper. Thanks, guys, for joining me today. I really hope that you take the day, enjoy it, and create something wonderful. Have a great day.